Hi, what's up, Shiba Inu coin holder? What's going on this time? Shiba Inu will pumps up 174.88% profit, my friend, as you can see here this time. So definitely that's a really good jump, my friend. You can see here in last 3 days, my friend, but in last 12 hours, it's only 22.78% they will get a profit. It is massive change occurring, my friend. Massive jump, very nice, my friends. Pumping up the price is going to completely in the moon now. Congratulations, many. And Shiba Inu coin holder, this time the price will pumping up, and the main reason, the main credit is goes to holder. If a holder are starting investing, if a holder are starting holding, so of course, my brother, the price will pumping up and get a very good profit. So I recommend all of you, my friends, to please invest now. In those days, I am 100% sure to it's also very good time to you will invest now. And this time already they will hit now 0.4022 USD dollars. So I hope, my friends, they will easily hit now 0.005 USD dollars, 0.0005 USD dollars just in only at the end of month. If they will moving in this speed, otherwise, my friend, if they will not moving in this speed, so I can't believe, my friend, you will also not believe this today were never hit, my friend, just in only 0.0003 USD dollar. So please hold now. If you are starting holding, so of course, my brother, the price will be pumping up. So I just, my friend, share my opinion. Remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you, please, my brothers, my opinion is to please hold. What's your opinion? Also please share now. And thanks for watching, holder. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more this type live price prediction videos, and also, my friend, updates now. So Allah Hafiz, take care.